Right, so it's a bit hard finding the pier and the seafront, but we eventually found it, and it's so windy and it feels more like November, but it was free to go to the toilet, so at least that's good there. And I'm going to have a walk on the pier now, and I'll film the walk on the pier. I don't think he's going to go to the end, but that's funny for some. Yeah, so I'll walk to the end of the pier, and then I'll go back to Clacton after, and I'll probably go to a Burger King on the way back somewhere. Never that way. Oh, wow. September. Like this. See what's found here. I've heard again.
Sexy lobster. Sexy lobster. This is called sexy lobster. Oh, snaky. Cheeky lobster. Ain't it, you know? Oh, that's
See, that's our car park up there, ain't it? We're just up there, I think.
I think we're further now, it's further up now.
Oh, yeah, maybe we are. Who knows?